Diesel, are you having fun? Where's your partner? There he is. Flipping freezing. Yeah, I should probably move my truck. Somebody's gonna slide into it. Are you getting cold yet? How are your feet? Your feet cold? They're eating the snow, biting it. My trees. The kind that usually stand straight up, the evergreen needle trees that stick up. Yeah, they look like fir trees right now. The ice is weighing them down. Get out of the road! Good boy. Them dogs. Happy dogs. Happy, happy, happy. It sounds like a dinosaur. Axel does. Yummy snow. Is it delicious? What about you? You just had some. Nope. How are your feet? Eating snow. My sweet stupids. Oh, sneaky duck. I bet your feet are starting to hurt. I almost don't even move them inside. Just having so much fun. But I'm starting to freeze. I probably need to move my truck. I don't look forward to that. A moment ago, right here, was a river of water from the rain that we had this morning. And it is stopped running, or else it is frozen solid. I haven't ventured out there to find out.